tell you something. You think you're gonna keep Cece back with this? No, Cece's strong. You know she mean business. She's been doing this to you ever since she came into Tiny Tigers. Now you gotta overcome your fears. Hachime, go, hit her. Hit her. She respects you. She ain't gonna respect you. Yes!
There you go.
She ain't gonna respect you. You better get her. Harder. 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 Faster.
Go, Dylan, blood.
Try to kick, brother.
Yay!
You're right.
You're right. Listen, no. Don't do it. Listen, you just have to have that in you. You have to have that mentality that if she kicks you, I'm gonna punch you even harder. Okay? She ain't gonna respect you if she kicking you around all over the place. She's not gonna be cautious of you if you don't stop her in her tracks. Do you understand? You need to stand up, overcome your fear, and stop her in her tracks. Hachime, go.
Back up.
Come on, come on. There you go. Harder, Dylan. Yay! The main thing is that you scoot back. Bow to each other. Hey, you're gonna overcome it someday. Watch. You better stick with it. Go sit down. That'll